So guys, as you can see, we are on to our next model 3, listing creation and account setup part. So today's topic is going to be on setting up your seller central account. So what are the basics and how you can set your seller central account, guys? So I'll be showing you that one. So guys, after coming to Google and searching sell on Amazon USA or else desired marketplace, you will come to this tab, and you have to click on this link sell button and see how it works. And you have to choose your create a seller central account. As you can see, let's choose this one. And how it works, as you scroll down, you will see this create a seller central account. So guys, firstly you have to put your business email address, and you have to put your credit card or any else debit card, and you have to prove your government ID as per your desired marketplace and what they needs. And you have to put your tax information number, and this tax information also depends on country to country. Some of them don't require and some of them may require. And you have to put your phone number, and you have to put your bank account number. So guys, these are the only thing that you to start selling on Amazon, guys. You, as I showed you, business email address, credit card or debit card, government ID, tax information if needed, and phone number and bank account. That's all, guys. And as you click on the create account, Amazon seller account tab, they will take you to creating your account, guys. So hope you guys got example what you will be needing to create your seller central account, guys. These are as simple as that, guys. No fancy things, no extra work to be done, guys.